So everybody, you have a front body. Maybe let's do it this way. We all have a front body. And we all have a back body. And in moving, how do you move? Initiating, even if you initiate from the front, your back is still there, right? It's just, do you start it here, which becomes our organs, our soft belly. It's the softness. So animals don't usually walk on their back because this is exposing, and they're mainly on their bellies. And then the protective back, which was the amnion. And so when we lie on our belly, a soft belly is in relation to the earth, right? And to feel that. So rather than my having all the fun, why don't you take a moment and feel, even, I'm not lying down, there's not room right now for everyone to lie down, but we can feel the softness of our front body in relation to the earth. We breathe the air of the earth, we eat the food of the earth, and there's the softness of the front of our body. And it's our earth nature, gravity. And to feel that it's not that I'm heavy. I'm still light in the sense that I still have buoyancy. But from the front, there's this sense of earth, which you were also sharing. With the back body, it's more not so much weight. I'm sharing my experience, not the truth. Even if it's toward the earth, it's lifting you toward heaven. Maybe everybody wouldn't because you're not all having the same stories, but there's a story of Peter Pan, the eternal boy, and Wendy, and they flew. They didn't fly with their front body. They flew. And there's that lift. So what if even in your place, knowing you can't stretch out too far, there's somebody there, play with that for a minute. Stand, and in your place, feel your front body. So even though if you're back and you're resting on your back body, that your front body still feels the earth. It's still here. But supported by the back body. So it's not a forward and a backward bend. On the outside, I'm going to say, oh, you're doing a back bend. Well, yeah. Or I'm doing a front bend. But I'm here, or I'm here. I could lift here and not have to worry about my back. So don't do it if you're not, if there's a back issue, don't go jumping with your back extended. And I had a slip disc many years ago, and so it's a paralyzed spine. So it's taken a long time to feel my back body safely. This is where your energy comes from. Your mitochondria utilize the front body. And the back body, spacious, the heavens, but still earth. Still earth. I'm an earthling. There's that space between. the earth and the heavens and that space that's in the middle. So how do you feel that space? Neither gravity or heaven, just the space that when it knows itself becomes matter or consciousness. That in my front body I feel this organicity, I feel my animal. If I bring my voice into it, it has this kind of weightedness, but not heavy kind of drop. It's vital and moving. When I go here, I'm just lighter. And I have this feeling of upliftedness. When I'm in the space, I'm in neither of those. They exist. But I'm in the space between. Before there was a mesoderm.